So I've got our coffee maker. It's a pretty generic coffee maker, nothing special. But and I also got vinegar to help clean it out. So first you want to do is you want to do this, and then we just made some coffee. So I'm gonna dump that out in the garbage. So what you want to do is you want to rinse this out and pour some vinegar in here and then run it through the system. So what that does is it pretty much just cleans the whole system with vinegar. Thank you. Perfect. So I've got some vinegar in here. I keep my pot pretty clean. But some people, they might not clean them very often, and it kind of creates like a residue. And so
if your coffee's tasting bitter and stuff, that's a good indication. Or if you have, if you can clearly see your pot is dirty, you might want to add a little more vinegar.
This was pretty dirty, and I usually keep it pretty clean. But and then you can go ahead and kind of run it through. Turn this on. But you can, if it's super dirty, you can just put more vinegar in it, or you could run it through a couple times. You'll just have to see how it goes. But
you can also do a rice trick or something too.
Oh yeah. So if you've got some sludge in there, you can put some rice in there and shake it around. And what that does is the grit will actually kind of get that cleaned out. So, and I can already tell just from the little bit that's coming in that it's coffee vinegar water, so make sure you also don't drink it. But I think we'll let this sit and we'll go on to our next appliance.